Well, everyone, I don't know what to tell you, but Card Fever's back, and a very overdue box break on the channel. The first basketball blaster box that we're doing is 18-19 Panini Contenders Draft Picks. I've never opened this before, but as far as I know, it's rookies mainly. I think you get NBA players in their college uniforms too, but I'm not sure. Basics, one hit, it's an autograph per box, 6 packs, 7 cards pack, 42 cards box. Exclusive red, blue, full parallels, and you can get on-card autographs too. So let's hope we get one of those. But enough of the chit chat, let's get cracking. I would love a Wendell Carter. I would love a Mo Bamba auto. But it'll probably be some pretty decent second rounder, knowing the probability factors. Get a hashtag decollect. Here we go. Here's the cards. Here's what the packs look like. Got DeAndre Ayton and Trae Young in the front. I have no idea which one has the auto, so we're just gonna go for it and see. Okay. And yep, that's exactly right. So, oh no. So they are in their uniforms. They are in their normal uniforms. The NBA players are. And here's what the cards look like. Here's a Draymond Green. That's cool. So that's good then. I thought it was all college uniforms, but that's a good surprise that it's not. Chris Dapps. Here's a nice card. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Kentucky. School colors insert. Probably not numbered. No. Chandler Hudson. Nice. Go Bulls. Jason Tatum. Lonzo. Good card. I know Panini Contenders had a crocodile last year that I really liked. This is a nice one too. De'Aaron Fox, Kawhi. Yeah. Ooh, nice. That's a good one. Larry Bird, Legacy insert card. Indiana State Celtics. Really nice card. Not numbered. Here's a holographic of some sort of James Harden. Nice. Giannis, Kyrie. Cave Swanigan, Purdue alum, if I recall correctly. John Wall. Here's a nice school colors UCLA of Aaron Holiday. Is he a Bull?
No, he's not.
I don't know where he went. Ooh, that's a cool card. Game day ticket, Michael Porter Jr. Nice. Donovan Mitchell. Damian Lillard. A. Wiggins. Larry. Another legacy card of Devin Booker. Nice. Really cool card. I think these legacy cards are really nice so far. School colors of Gary Trent Jr. KD. Nice. Ooh, legend card. Okay. Didn't always get any of those, but here's a Charles Barkley. Nice. I'm loving this product so far. And for a $20 target box, anyway. Ooh, nice back card. Donovan Mitchell again. Chris Dunn. Here's a game day ticket of Anthony Simons. Nice. Another one of those holographic kind of type cards of De'Aaron Fox. I guess probably just like a red border insert or something like that. Josh Jackson. Big Ben. Down to 2. I don't know. Another Damian Lillard. Cat. Ooh, nice. Legacy card of Magic Johnson. Nice. I got a Larry Bird and a Magic Johnson Legacy card. I'll have to show those off at the end. Those two should go hand in hand. There we go. Nice DeAndre Ayton school colors insert card. Very nice. A Shaq Lakers card. And a Joel Embiid. Wow. Okay, wow. So this has to be autograph box. Let's hope for a good rookie. Let's hope. I'm assuming it's a rookie. Let's hope for a good one. Brent Ingram. And here we go. There's the autograph. And it's somebody I've never heard of before. Good. International ticket autograph. Rondian's Crooks. Sticker auto. Nice auto. All on the sticker. But eventually want to look at what he plays for, because I got no idea. From Latvia. Oh, yeah. I remember Chris Stapps talking about him. Mr. Robinson. Legacy of Jabari Parker. Nice. Magic Johnson card. And Jabari Parker again. I think he might have been a first round pick. Rondions. Rodions. Might have been a first round pick, but I don't know.
Second round, 40th overall for the Brooklyn Nets.
Okay, so couldn't ask for much worse. So there's the auto. Got the Cuff Genie going on. That's cool. There he is. And okay, I mean, good box. Not the best auto. It's okay though. But here you go. These are my two favorite cards of the box right here. The Labor and Magic Johnson Lexi cards. Two good rivals. Nice cards. Okay, well, this is Brett from Card Figure. I'm gonna sign off. Great product though. Good start for the basketball products on the show, and if you're liking this, you'll get a lot more. So stay tuned.